Powai Engineering College. The vision of the college is to strive to be a globally model institution, all set for taking leading role in grooming the younger generation, socially responsible and professionally competent to face the challenges ahead. Mission is to provide goal-oriented, quality-based, value-added education through state-of-art technology on a par with international standards. To promote nation-building activities in science, technology, humanities, and management through research, and also to create and sustain a community of learning that stick on to social, ethical, ecological, cultural, and economic upliftment. And the placement record at Powai institutions are in 2019, total number of offers were 1,899 and the number of companies visited were 63. Disclaimer. This information is collected from various sources in the internet only for the information purpose. The user is advised to confirm the accuracy of this data. The courses offered at Powai Engineering College are Electronics and Communication Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Information Technology, Computer Science and Engineering, Medical Electronics, Civil Engineering, Aeronautical Engineering, Chemical Engineering, Food Technology, Biomedical Engineering, Agricultural Engineering, Pharmaceutical Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Mechatronics, Cybersecurity, and Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering. The cutoff marks for various castes and various departments at Powai Engineering College. For OC it is 112 to 163, for BCM it is 110 to 141, for BC it is 88 to 154, for MBC it is 86 to 156, for SC it is 87 to 129. Facilities at Powai Engineering College. Adequate care is taken that the library is kept updated to keep the students in broadening their horizons of knowledge. It has an extensive collection of 42,830 volumes, 10,175 titles, 135 national journals, international journals and magazines, online journal subscription in Springer Link INDEST, magazines and non-book material CD and DVD 1126 for the students and faculty members. The books are classified according to Dewey Decimal Classification Scheme and the open access system is followed inside the library. And sports. Excellent sports and games facilities with basketball, cricket ground, football ground, hockey, kabaddi ground, coco court, volleyball court, badminton, table tennis, and multi gymnasiums are available to students so as they can enable them to have sound physique. Yogic values are being taught by qualified and eminent teachers. The colleges have well maintained playgrounds. Healthcare. The medical center with all facilities is maintained for the benefit of the students and staff of institution. Specialists are visiting the center in the evenings. And the other facilities are hostels, transport, internet, auditorium and center for excellence. The placement at Powai Engineering College and the statistics from 2006 to 2018 for the number of students placed is displayed on the screen. From 2011 to 2018, the chart shows the drastic increase in number of students getting placed. In 2011, it was 612. In 2012, it was 756. 2013, 807 students were placed, and in 2014, 856. In 2015, 928 students were placed. In 2016, it was 1133 and in 2017 it was 1907 and in 2018 it was 1857. And the major recruiters are Infosys, Central, IIFL, Wipro, L&T, TVS, Hexaware, Sutherland, JSW, Tech Mahindra, Ingvisia, HCL, L&T Infotech, Mahindra, Satyam, Renault Nissan, CSS Corp, Shriram Chit Funds, Emphasis, SEW, IBM, HCL Infosystems, Alsec Technologies, AIG, AEGIS, Bhavan Cybertech, HDFC, Eureka Forbes, Breaks India Limited, Carvi, Honeywell, Digital Nirvana, CSS, Data Patterns, Cisco, Global Edge, and many more. And the results from 2013 to 2017 is showed on the screen. In 2013, it was 77 percentage. In 2014, 58. In 2015, it was 62. And again in 2016, it was 63. And in 2017, it was 64 percentage. The college counseling code is 2611. Contact college at 99655 or 99655 and the website is www.pec.pavai.edu.in. The college is located at Pavai Nagar, NH44, Pachal 637018, Namakkal district, Tamil Nadu. And the mail ID is info@pavai.edu.in.